Hi dear lovelies, thank you so very much. If you're a mother, your father, or your guardian to a little one or little ones at home, and you're looking to find wonderful collections of hairstyle, you're welcome to Trendy Styles Forever. You're watching 2026 Kids Hairstyles. Today you'll find easy DIY cute braids, bun, beads, and ponytail little girls hairstyles. When we talk about the beads, we mean a collection of hairstyles that you can have accessories just like the beads added to give it a very unique finishing. Within this video, you'll discover cute braids, beaded hairstyles, ponytails, buns, and easy DIY natural hairstyles for children. Perfect for school, parties, and everyday looks. Get daily inspiration from this amazing video for your little girls. And of course, it's all about them having a wonderful hair look always, especially one you can easily and swiftly organize and attend to on your own. Talking about something you can do at home on a fly. Yes, if I'll use that term. You don't need to stress out on most of these hairstyles because it's that simple DIY, again, hairstyles that you can have done on them by yourself. Just one or two practice will definitely get you to perfection. You can find lots of amazing 2026 kids hairstyles right here. Kids braids hairstyles, beautiful children hairstyles, braids with beads, little girls hairstyles, amazing natural hairstyles, beautiful buns hairstyles, kid ponytail, and protective hairstyles ideas. So go right ahead, have a wonderful time picking out a wonderful, easy, simple DIY hairstyle, especially on natural hair. Or probably you want it to look very natural. You have a lot of amazing compilation pictures right here. We have more videos on kids hairstyles look coming up very soon. You should definitely watch out for those. Do not forget to check out our playlist on little girls right here on our platform. You easily find it. Let's hear from you what you think about this amazing video. Do not forget to subscribe if you're new. Don't forget to leave us a like right after watching, especially if you find something helpful. Also share the video with friends and family so that more people will get to see this video. And we do have an Amazon store where you find helpful and amazing products that you can help us purchase from that platform, because of course it's the Amazon platform and it's a trusted service where you can definitely find products that you may find very helpful and handy. Let's hear from you if you have any question or suggestion for us concerning any aspect of this channel. Stay tuned for more as we go forward. You take care and bye.